Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care at all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a shop with me vlog. You guys really seem to like vlogs on my channel, and I don't do them that often, and I really want to start doing them more, especially that it's summertime. I feel like I definitely go shopping and stuff a lot, so I'm just gonna bring you guys with me this time. We're actually shopping for Darian's birthday, which is in like 2 days. This is so last minute, and it's really hard to shop for guys because for girls you can get like jewelry, makeup, clothes, like perfume, like anything you can get for a girl really. He likes to shop at like American Eagle and stuff, but I got him American Eagle stuff for Christmas. So I'm probably just gonna look down at the Palmer Park Mall and see what they have at American Eagle for like clothes and stuff, and then we're gonna head up to the Lehigh Valley Mall. We're actually gonna pick Darian up after we finish up at this mall, since we're shopping for him here, and then we're gonna go to Lehigh Valley Mall for other things. I know we're not shopping for me, but look how cute that top is. Oh my god, I can't read this. These are cute. I like the button-ups. So we didn't really find anything there. They had like cute stuff, but I feel like there would be much of a bigger selection at the Lehigh Valley. So we're gonna go pick Darian up, and then we're going to Lehigh Valley Mall. Take over the vlog.
Wait, what are we doing?
Vlog.
Alright.
Shopping with us.
Shopping with us? Alright. So first you go in the car, right? And there's no music.
No, it's not a tutorial on how to go
Oh,
shopping.
alright.
Wearing your bands? The last time I wore these, I went to the dentist, right? And she was like, have you been wearing your bands? And I was like, yes. And she was like, I can really see an improvement. And I was like, okay, because I haven't even been wearing them. So it's stupid. So I haven't been wearing them ever since my last dentist appointment in like April. So wear your bands, kids. This is such a throwback. Oh my god.
I don't know, it's like she got me hooked right away. I couldn't see it coming like a sucker punch. Took my heart, then she's out. That's a hit and run. I feel those eyes, cause she's armed and dangerous. Like, bow, hit you with that one shot. Okay, I'm getting it back. Matter of fact, I'm gonna write it all down in a rap sheet. Thought she loved me, now she just a love thief. I let her in, my heart was always open. Now I'm sitting here wondering how she could've stole it like a sticker. Then she pulled the trigger, she a red lipstick and some heels kinda killer. I got love struck.
Oh, sorry.
Party City?
Party City.
Let's go.
No. So far, all they have is graduation. There's only like grad stuff. I want balloons that like say 1-6, like the numbers. I always wanted those.
They're back there, the big one. The big ones.
I know, but that's for graduation. I said grad. Oh my god, Darian. We have to go all out for Halloween. I'm definitely getting those. Maybe like, oh my gosh. Stay tuned for a Halloween video because that is definitely coming. Oh my god. No, the only thing we found here was the cute sign, and I don't know if we're gonna go like full out with like that Hollywood theme. Probably just like probably just like a little bit of the Hollywood decorations, not like the whole theme. And I just want like plain plates and stuff. All we got was the sign there. Are we gonna go to the other place? Yeah. So we're gonna head to another Party City just because it's on the way, or we're going up there already for the Lehigh Valley Mall, I guess. So we're gonna look there to see if they have other stuff. So it's 12:15. We stopped at Subway for lunch, and oh, it looks so good.
All her on FaceTime. Tori, dishes.
And she still didn't do it. I forgot.
Okay.
We're at this big shopping, what is this called? Center? Shopping center? Shopping arena. Where are we going? Sorry. Where are we going now? Christmas tree shops. We're so packed. Makeup? Oh, I brought my credit card.
Laurel.
So.
Laurel L.
I don't know how long this video is gonna be because we're hitting lots of places. We're not just hitting that one store. They have more. 63%. I hope it doesn't die because we still have the mall to go to, and we didn't even go to 2 stores in this little shopping center, and we got lots of places to hit. And there's even an Ulta here, but I know we're not hitting that because we're not shopping for makeup. These are only 30 bucks. Air Max 90s. Those are pretty nice. I'd have to cop them if they were my size, but they're 4.5, and I'm like a 7. Really cute. 32 bucks for these red rose shades. They're in my size, but we're not here for shoes, so.
You're here for what?
I don't even know, to be honest.
I'll take it.
We're in Five Below now.
I mean, that's cute.
We end up going with this theme. I want those. They're
I know
cute.
they are, but I don't see the plates and stuff. I only see one there. We'll have to look it up.
There's a birthday party kit for $5. Full of everything.
That's cute because it has the gold trim.
I know, and the napkins match.
Aww, I like them.
So that was it for Five Below. We have other Five Belows. We have one right by our house. We have one up by the Lehigh Valley Mall. So they had cute stuff here, but they only had like one set of plates left. So we're probably gonna wait till another Five Below to see what they have. But I really like the Five Below selection. So we're going to the Lehigh Valley Mall now and like Five Below and stuff. To another different Five Below that's like by the Lehigh Valley Mall now. So. He's bombing back there. Look at him. He's like.
One more.
How hot is it out right now?
It's in the 90s.
This store is huge. Oh my god. Do they have a makeup set? Perfect. It's so nice. And no.
I'm getting it for you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I love you. I'm buying it for you, so.
No.
Yes.
No.
There's other ones over there you look at while I buy it.
We're done with Burlington. It's hot. There's lots of traffic. So we're deciding on the pink.
Well, it's your decision.
No, I know. That's what I decided on, yeah.
Oh. I thought you
And
were
then the
like,
matching like silverware.
and I have plain white too.
Yeah, just get 2 of each. And then like maybe 1 pack of knives.
Do you want cups? You do?
Yeah.
Near?
Darian drank all my soda.
Huh?
It's always an adventure with you two. Well, we could have just got something out of the machine.
It is 2:36 right now. I'll put like time stamps throughout the video so you know like what store we went where and like what time, because like I didn't really say it all. So I'll put it like right here. That looks like a car dealership and it's Wendy's. This is fancy Wendy's for no reason. This vlog is kind of all over the place.
That's what vlogs are. It's your day. All over the place.
I mean, yeah. We're pulling up. There's even a Sephora and everything.
Which we're not going to.
I know. We're finally at the Lehigh Valley Mall after how many hours? And we need to get a drink ASAP. As soon as we get in there, we need a drink ASAP.
What does that mean?
ASAP?
What does that mean?
As soon as possible. We're getting him plain Hollister shirts. I'm mainly birthday shopping for him, so he's like picking it out. These are like plain shirts, and he needs new swimsuits, so we're looking at swimsuits as well. We were also in Abercrombie, but he didn't really have anything he liked or in his size. I don't know. Eyelashes are low-key coming off right now.
Suicide Drive.
Yeah, I don't know where they're at. They probably won't have them. Where else? Like, there's really like there's places to go, but we've been everywhere.
How many stores been out? Like, shut down.
We went in Aeropostale, didn't find anything he liked in there.
It's okay.
It's okay.
For me, it's way better.
Oh no. I know I just got the red rose shapes, but I saw this really cute pair of like all pink Air Max 90s, and they were on sale for $40, and it's so cute. I'm pretty empty today. I still have hiccups, literally from like hours
What about
ago.
that store?
I just want to see what size they were.
You like those?
I think I'm a spoiled brat because like I asked for the Roches and I got them, and I'm asking for these, and my mom said yes when I asked her, but I didn't even ask. I just like sent her a picture saying these were cute, and she was like, if they fit, I'll get them for you.
Money, so it's not like you're not spoiled.
I know, but like they're also for my birthday.
Awesome.
Keep in mind, people. Why get one pair of shoes for $90 when you can get 2 pairs of shoes for $80 when they're $40? It's just better. Are we leaving now?
Yep.
Okay, we're leaving, and what time is it? Oh, no thanks. It's 4:30, so we started the shopping thing at like, what time? 11:30?
10:30.
We started at 10:30 and we're ending at 4:30. I got him his presents and everything. I'm gonna get him something else online. And that should be it. My left eyelash is coming off. And it's always the left one that comes off first, in the inner corner. You guys can't see because the lighting, but... Oh shoot, yes you can. It's coming off, do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you want the window down?
Yeah.
My eyelashes. Got Darian 4 Hollister shirts, which are like super adorable. I wish I would have inserted a try-on clip of him because he looked really cute. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below when your birthday is, if it's in the summer or if it's in the winter. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future, and also turn on my post notifications to get a notification whenever I post a video, and so you can see me in your Dropbox at least twice a week. That's my goal for the summer of posting. So far I've been keeping up with it, but we'll see.
Let him sleep then.
Thank you so much for watching, and bye guys!